You know, it's funny, I started wrenching on this car, I was thinking, wow, this is a really unbelievably cool car and fender cover. Like, you talk about protection all the way around the engine compartment, and how many of us have fender covers? We all do. How many of us don't use them? Because what happens? They always fall off the stupid car. Not the case with this.
That's right, this is a little unique. This is Bob's original fender cover, and you can see 360. It's made out of what you would think would be like a moving blanket, and it is thick and durable.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, a lot of cars maybe don't really care, but man, you got a nice paint job, you got a nice vehicle. Oof. Man, everything from your belt buckle to just touching a tool to anything will scratch it, do damage to it. So this gives you a fully adjustable, so you could probably get this thing to dial in. Look at how much hook and loop, right? Yeah. So you can open and close in all directions, probably just about any vehicle.
Yeah, absolutely, because it tucks in the corners up here. You can adjust it to fit any vehicle. And it's just one of those things that really becomes handy because you can put some tools up here. You don't lose everything. You're not following stuff down here. I wish they made something like this for the entire thing.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, every fender cover I've ever had is falling on the ground.
Exactly.
So this one doesn't move. Yeah, it's pretty awesome.